Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by reclaiming system resources fast. Open Task Manager and end non-essential processes so CPU and RAM prioritize your game. Next, change Windows to a high-performance power plan to avoid aggressive throttling. This reduces latency spikes. Then update your graphics drivers. New drivers fix game-specific issues and performance regressions. Once done, reboot to ensure driver and power changes apply. Make sure Windows Update isn't downloading large files in the background while you test gameplay. Now tune both Windows and the game for consistent frame delivery. In-game, choose full-screen exclusive and reduce heavy settings such as shadows, ambient occlusion, and anti-aliasing. This cuts GPU load and raises FPS. In Windows settings, turn off game bar overlays and background recording so hooks don't steal cycles. Then open your GPU control panel and set power management to prefer maximum performance. That prevents frequency drops. Finally, test with a short play session and monitor FPS to see improvements. Finish by eliminating network and deeper system causes. Prefer wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to cut ping and packet loss. Stop large downloads and disable VPNs during sessions. If stuttering hints at system corruption, run sfc/scano and then dism repairs to restore files. If problems remain, roll back to a previous GPU driver or perform a clean boot to identify a conflicting service. One key troubleshooting tip: if lag started after an update, uninstall that update or driver.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.